Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to the Fit After 50 Club, and thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you guys are ready to work out. I know I am. Today's workout is going to be a single dumbbell workout. For this workout, I'm substituting a kettlebell for a dumbbell. I understand not everybody's got access to kettlebells either at home or at the gym, and a lot more people have access to dumbbells. So I'm using a pretty heavy dumbbell, the heaviest one I got, which is 30 pounds. And then once again, it's going to be substituted for a kettlebell. So today's workout goes like this. We're going to start off with 50 swings. Then we're going to go into 5 clean and jerks on one side. We're going to keep that dumbbell there, and we're going to go into 5 lunges. We're going to still keep that dumbbell on the right side, and from there we're just going to jump into 5 deadlifts. Then we're going to switch arms and do everything on the other side. Then we'll take a little breather, not too long, 5-10 seconds. We're going to try to get through this as quickly as possible, and we're going to repeat the entire thing 3 more times. So, you guys are ready to go? I'm ready to go. I don't have a clue how long this is going to take exactly. I assume no more than 20 minutes. Let's get going, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. All right, guys, let's get ready to roll. Grab your dumbbell. Double swings, we're going for 50. Ready? In 1, 2, 3, and let's go. 1. 10 down, keep going. 20, keep it up. 9, here comes 30. Let's go, 20 more. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4. And we're at 10, we got 10 left, let's go. 1, 8, 9, and 10. You put the dumbbell down for a second, shake out those arms. I'm going to go all right side. So 5 clean and jerks, 5 lunges, 5 deadlifts. Guys ready? Got to make sure I don't hit the ceiling here. And let's go. Swing it, swing the kettlebell or the dumbbell. Make sure you swing with your hips. It's a hinging movement, hinging motion, all right? So let's go. We're gonna go 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Rest it on your shoulder. This is the leg and the side the dumbbell is resting on. We're gonna step back with this side. Ready? We're going for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, put the dumbbell between your legs on the bottom of the floor. We move back a little bit so you can see me. All right, here we go. We're going for 5 deadlifts. So palms out, just like if you're picking up a barbell. And give me 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way down to the ground. And 5. All right, that takes care of one side. Now we're doing the same thing on the other side. So switch hands. And let's go for 5 clean and jerks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One more swing. Rest the dumbbell on your shoulder. We're going for 5 lunges backwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we got 5 deadlifts. Step back once again. 5 deadlifts for me. It's on the left side. Ready? 1, 2, nice deep squat. 3, keep that back upright. 4, and 5. All right, guys, back to the top. That was set number 1. We're going for set number 2. That took about 3.5 minutes. So now you guys have an idea how long this workout is gonna take. 50 swings, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. 6, remember, hinging motion. 7, 8, 9, that's 10, and that's 1. 7, 8, 9, that's 20. Remember, hinge at the waist. 1, pop up with your hips. 2, 3, 4, come on. That's 30. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 40. You got 10 more. Keep it going. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. I like to put it down, take a 5-second break. Kind of stretch my arms out a little bit. All right, guys. Clean jerks. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight into lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then deadlift. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, switch sides. You guys ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Come on. 5. One more swing. Rest of the kettlebell. I keep on saying kettlebell. Dumbbell. Ready? Let's go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the knee all the way down to the ground as far as you can. And 5. And 5 deadlifts. All right. Palms facing out. Let's go. 1. All the way down to the ground. 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's round number 2. Take a little 5-second breather for I use tie-in. All right, we're going for 50 swings, guys. And those deadlifts, you go down as far as you can. I understand. Sometimes things are better than other times. Sometimes we go all the way down, sometimes we don't. Today, I'm having a good day with those, so I'm going all the way down to the ground. Let's go for 50 swings. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. We got 10 down. 40 to go. 1. 20, 30 left. 1, 2. Hinging motion. 3, 4, 5. Not a squat. 6, 7, 9. 20 left. Keep going. 1. This is set number 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 left. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Like I said, a little break for me. Whew. All right. Clean and jerks. You guys ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5 lunges. Lock that sucker in, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going for deadlifts.
I just want to feel alive.
Palms facing out. 1, 2,
I just want to feel alive.
3, 4. That's 1
I can't
and
see
5. All right, switching sides.
They all start
Whew.
slipping out of hand.
Ready? Let's swing that.
I've been running
Swing
on
that
the
dumbbell. Ready? And let's go. 1,
I just want to feel alive.
2, 3, 4. Lunges coming up. 5. And lunge back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, guys, deadlifts.
I just want to feel alive.
Nice and deep, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we are 3/4 of the way done. 2-second breather. Back to the top. Back to 50 swings. You guys ready to roll? In 3, 2, 1. Now give me 50. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 10. We got 40 left. Keep it up. Great core exercise right here. 5. Come on. 6. We got 20 down, 30 to go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 left. It's the last time around. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. And weight down. Woo. All right, guys, we're going clean and jerks on one side. 5. Remember. Ready to go? Swing that dumbbell. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we're lunging. Boom. Step backwards. 1. Beautiful. 2. Keep it up. 3. Let's go. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, deadlift. 5. Good form. Palms facing out. Let that dumbbell just drag straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we're switching sides. Last time around, guys, this is it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's lunge. Woo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Keep it up. 5. All right, deadlifts for the last and final time. Perfect form once again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, last 1, and 5. Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today for this dumbbell workout. This was a good example of how you can replace a kettlebell with a dumbbell if kettlebells are not available to you. If you enjoyed this workout, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a big like as it really helps me out. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what other workouts you want to see. They're all filmed right here in the basement with very minimum or no equipment at all. Once again, thanks again for joining me. I'll see you guys every Monday and every Thursday. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you later.